In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can use Google's new AI called Gemini, okay? Now it's pretty simple. So first what I'm going to do is tell you how to log in. Now what you need to do is log in into your Google account. So just search for Google login on your browser. And once you do that, click on it. Once you do that, it'll take you to the login page of Google. From over here, enter your phone number or email, click on next, enter your password and log in into your Google account. Now once you do that, basically your Gemini account has been created, because since Gemini is run by Google, your Google account is going to be your Gemini account. Once you do that, you can just search for Gemini, Gemini, and search for it. Once you search for it, it's going to click on Gemini chat for supercharge your ideas. Click on it. Click on it, it'll take you to this page. And over here, as you guys can see, I've logged in into one of my Google account, and that is what's being displayed over here. So I need to click on chat with Gemini and my chat will start. So just scroll all the way down and click on I agree. It just means you agree to his terms and service. Click on this, click on continue, and your Gemini will open up and you can start using it. Now, if you want to add Gemini's Google Chrome extension, you want to click on the setting icon at the bottom left corner and click on extension. Once you do that, it's going to show you this. Click on show me more, click on continue, click on connect, and click on let's go. And basically your Gemini extension will be ready. So what I have done is I have connected my extension with Gemini. Now to further do this, what you can do is just go on your search browser and search for Chrome Store. Once you search for Chrome Store, click on Chrome Web Store. Over here, just search for Gemini, Gemini, and it's going to show you Gemini for Google. Click on it. From here, click on add to Chrome, and then just click on add extension, and it'll be added on your Google Chrome browser. Now let's wait for some time until it's added, and as you guys can see, it has been added and it's going to bring you to this page. Now for some reason, if you're not able to come to this page, you can click on this little puzzle icon and click on Gemini for Google. It'll bring you to this page, but automatically once it's downloaded, you should reach this page. Over here, scroll all the way down, click on API key. Over here, click on over here where it says here. After clicking here and you generate your API key, you can enter your API key over here. Now for security reason, I'm not able to show you my API key, but once you click on it and create it and paste it, click on save. Now you're good to go. Just search for anything like what is football. This is just a random search for me, and the AI should generate over here, as you guys can see it, just like that. So that is how you guys can add Gemini on your extension. Now if you want to use the dark mode of Gemini, you can just click on settings, click on dark theme, and it'll turn to dark. If you want light, turn it off, you will go back to light. Now if you want to turn on real-time response, you can click on setting again, and over here you can see this option. You can turn it on or turn it off. It's up on you. Whichever option you like, you can do that. Now to check your activities of Gemini AI, what you can do is it's going to be displayed over here. Now since I haven't searched anything, nothing is being displayed. So what I can do is click on new chat and start using it. So I'm going to search for something. What is football? And once I search for it, the history is going to be saved over here. So it's going to answer this. Let's wait for some time. So I'm going to search something else. So multiple options is going to be shown over here. Now just like this, all the activities or all the things which I asked Gemini is going to be shown over here in this side. If it is not being shown, you can click on the 3 line at the top left. That is how you guys can check your activities on Gemini AI. Now to start using image on Gemini AI, which means if you want to use an image to search for something, click on this. Then it's going to open up your computer setting. From over here, choose the image which you want to upload. And once it's uploaded, you can ask any question you want about the image. And then just click on this and it'll search for it and it'll give you its answer. Now, if you want to give a voice-based command, you can click on this. Once you click on this, your microphone will open up. You can answer it. For the next thing is, if you want to delete your previous chat in Gemini AI, as you guys can see, this is my previous chat. I can click on this 3 dot, click on delete, and my previous chat will be deleted. Now, if you want to turn on and off your Gemini AI activity, it's basically simple. You can just clear the chat out from over here by deleting every single thing. If you want to rename your prompt and chats in Gemini AI, what you can do is this. Now, if you want to see your previous prompt on Gemini, you have to just look in over here. Your previous prompt means your previous search history on Gemini AI. So it's over here, okay? So these are all the things you need to know if you want to start using Gemini AI for basic beginner user. Hope you found this video helpful. Hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.